Area 48, this formation space idea, it's really about democratizing entrepreneurship. Now, what do we mean by democratizing entrepreneurship? Well, Arizona State University is unusual in the sense that there's no academy for entrepreneurship or institute for entrepreneurship, maybe in the business school or in computing and engineering. Instead, it's completely decentralized right across the institution. No matter what school or discipline you're in, you'll have an opportunity to take an entrepreneurship course or two. In a sense, what we're trying to do is we're trying to take that idea and take it outside of the walls of the university. We're trying to make a place that's open to anybody, whether you're working on a social enterprise, whether you've got some patents you'll need to do something with in commercialization, whether you're trying to join a team or you're between jobs. This is exactly the kind of thing that we want to do here. And this particular part of the building is where those teams will start forming and working together, because that's what formation spaces in our mind is about. It's about forming ideas and teams and eventually, hopefully, startup companies. Obviously, trying to convert a restaurant that's been empty for a couple of years has been an interesting proposition for us. One of the positives is that the previous owner left over 40 flat screen televisions behind them, which we're going to be able to use with the teams as they work on stuff. This is the collaboration area. As you can see, originally patrons would have sat here and nursed a beer, but what we're going to see here in a few weeks' time is that we're going to see teams working together on different projects and ideas. The position of this building is quite interesting and has proven to be very useful to us, because right behind us we've got part of the Ira Fulton School of Engineering in Arizona State University, so some direct access to student, staff and faculty there. But at the front end of the building we've actually are sitting on Mill Avenue, which is one of the main streets in Tempe where there's quite a lot of people passing on a regular basis. And in a sense, that's what this space is about. It's about an interface between the university world and the world of everybody else. It's about opening up the doors of possibilities to ordinary people who are maybe have thought about working on an idea or want to work on an idea. We've been targeting groups as far as veterans, who are a large group here in Arizona. We've been targeting retirees and semi-retirees. And in a few weeks when this space opens up, they're the kind of people that we want to get together. But anybody technically can use this space. It really is open innovation on a wide scale. And now we're going to go and have a look at the front end of the building where a lot of our pracademic or practical oriented courses will be run. So currently we're standing in the reception area of Area 48. Right behind me you can see the west end of the building. This has been designated as our pracademic zone. In other words, this is where our practical oriented teaching and learning will take place. We already have a lot of this activity. It's called Rapid Startup School, and we've been running this for a number of years. We've got a large number of practitioners who teach different programs from a couple of hours to several days at a time. Everything from lean methodology to new product development to innovation to entrepreneurship. And those kind of courses are going to be applied here on a regular basis. So basically we're taking two ideas, the pracademic training teaching part and also the team activity and simulation part, and putting that together to hopefully come out with a lot of startup ideas, a lot of new product development ideas at the end of the day. That's one of the reasons why we're bringing down 3D printing and other rapid prototyping facilities down here to this space, to allow people to actually try out and actually work on their ideas in an actual real-time facility. And that's exactly what Area 48 is about. It's about taking your ideas, your dreams, your hobbies, things that you've thought about doing over the years, and actually allowing you as an individual to come and interact with people with similar ideas and similar thought processes, and then at the end of our summer program coming out the other end with something that's very solid and very real, something that really will feed the pipeline of activities for the entire greater Phoenix area and hopefully the state of Arizona, something that will feed into all the other accelerators and incubators and co-working spaces that are out there. We literally are the first part of the pipeline for all entrepreneurship and innovation. I hope you enjoyed our quick tour. Obviously this will be a lot more busy in a few weeks' time when we've finished working out the facilities here, and I look forward to doing a follow-up video at that time.